So far, about 21 players in every Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now there is a target of 12 players at Kumasi Asante Kotoko is set to sign. And now Obi Bisami say players or more bano, or more profiles, any pictures, any other fan, but and my take time through a medinina bro, Super 24 TV. So 12 targets for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. At least a 10 day. I sure say Ombeba Kumasi Asante Kotoko at the end of the season now. Which is Friday at Nakara, I be mobile here. I training na confirmations ni ade akoso. Without much I do, no, I'm going to take you through these 12 key players Oboye Kumasi Asante Kotoko targets. And so and 12 means me nka say 12 or 12. Kotoko benya 12 out of 12 way nina. 12 way no the local and as a Ghanaian players. And there's going to be another 4 or 5 at least foreigners. I'll be joining a place now be 16. So Kotoko is going to sign around 16 or 15 players. That's the information Mensa Aka. And notable of them, a player in say the deal is almost done, or a forward for Tima, your friend, baby any Go Stars. Or no, baby any Go Stars actually adding the blessings. I'm a Kumasi Asante Kotoko say Kotoko a bit me afa player no. I Juma because the contract with baby any Go Stars no baby August near best starting Ghana Premier League no. In the August no nya fini say koye renegotiation bia player no agya tum so bebo Kotoko and Kotoko nso ne awie personal term. So number 1 ono ho asem which is Prince Kobna Wusu. Number 2 Dauda Saka edini juma ema bofo akwata no. Dauda Saka oye DM no ene ekono mrantie terms mu na che oye midfielder, defensive midfielder odo so sa role no na play but for akwata no unfortunately omoko relegation odo so wa confirm say Kumasi Asante Kotoko are contacting and interest with Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne high is expected to join. And number 3 a player or Accra Lions offensive midfielder or no so because OM the position OM offensive midfielder for Accra Lions, the Accra Lions for captain your friend Shaukan Mohammed winning ball a very talented footballer. And also the third player on the Kumasi Asante Kotoko rather. This is not in an order manner but in no order. And media listing so that's Shaukan Mohammed. 4th on the list player B Brekum Chelsea or Bono area or a friend Joe Neda who screen so Gilbert Joe yes Hubert Joe yes on that screen also no on also a midfielder yes on also a midfielder or also he's on the Kumasi Asante Kotoko, a very talented player on also Wabogana Premier League nibi or very young but the good aspect is that Wabogana Premier League nibi so on also no that's the 4th one. The 5th one we have here is the Nations FC player your friend Razak Simpson and or coming on board as one of the defenders at Kotoko and as a Kotoko express interest on also Eka Kotoko list of players likely say 12 local players no Kotoko ebitimi assign a defender from Nations FC or Ashanti region here Razak Simpson or your center back money defender operating on the wing but or your center back and also the 6th player a player fitting last season Kotoko and now more but deal na ntimi go through Great Olympics your friend Emmanuel Entry or your forward. Yes, so on that screen is on Emmanuel Entry is a forward now or a very very talented and clinical forwarder. On also Kumasi Asante Kotoko and then Nkomodi no akwa echiri pa emra eda yenimuni se bibia nkoti ba ira homa dia obeti se Kotoko announce say o ma sign a forward from Great Olympics in the name of Emmanuel Entry. Then Kotoko currently unim se Kotoko ewo 1 goalkeeper pair na Kotoko be here backup goalkeeper to backup Freddy Kasare. Oko Great Olympics wa your Fred goalkeeper be Benjamin Asare Benjamin Asare no in the last 2 seasons ni hwehwemu kyerɛ sɛ on keep the most clean sheets second. Yes, Benjamin Asare. Accra Folk for tata no, but Accra Folk for Sani Solomon Agbasi Dreams FC aiding komo nti ma date to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no quite possible and I say e open nti on also can the list of players are Kotoko epe omo no and komodie e far advanced play on that screen is Bobo ma Legon Cities ena Nsua Treman assign no I think so. Yes, your friend of Sadat Mohammed and also a midfielder Sadat Mohammed operating in the middle. Na Kotoko actual interest at player and also you're willing to come on board and everything will be subjected to player no any Kotoko and the team Nsua because I understand the contract no kakra ewum ewo ho. Yes, and also any information kakra. Now the next player you can want some no and also a friend Ebenezer Sechere Great Olympics Ebenezer Sechere more like a forward winger. Yes, and also ended that screen also no in previous games for Great Olympics wajeje man of the matches Libya and also account the players the list of 12 Ghanaian players Kotoko is looking forward to grab this particular season nti ohu Kotoko new team ebeba so nansen no na hu so oka ho a e ma ne enya wo nwanwa kra currently Kumasi Asante Kotoko aka be 10 players bi o nti new players na na ye hyehyɛ ba no now Kumasi Asante Kotoko to say they are no me break him out no omo area open negotiations with Imoro Ibrahim say Imoro beba back to Krobia Asante Kotoko na one Kotoko asa abedi kasubum nti Imoro Ibrahim back to Kumasi Asante Kotoko otese waba e mane nyon oka the 12 targeted no ho yes 12 targeted no oka ho Imoro Ibrahim obeka 2021 2022 oni ogum ene boy e Ghana Premier League no e ma Krobia Asante Kotoko e wo ho yentie na yenhye ne nso mamensenko Accra Lions ewo one forward bi o ye very good friend Samari yes Samari Siru Samari no or ye forward na ono ene da o screen so se sia no oni ball ne bopa na apparently Accra Lions coach a ye friend Ibrahim Tanko nso confirm say ono any team na season abawe say na yeden at least emu 5 of 6 players ebe ko nti omo de kan psyche omo ho say omo ye team a afeno so omo ton enyiska ebi be kwa aburuchire ebi nso betena ba Samari ene Kotoko negotiations no so ejina mu dendende so these are the 12 players so far at least emu 10 there sa likely say be join it Krobia Asante Kotoko profiles no and I'm the amount with picture evidence it be senior citizens mwana mo bomb so bo na juma no makoyaba na foreigners no so the na be bebremu ewufie ha Super 24 TV foreigners no information aya na ho den kakra but mebo awurem na me de omo pictures and omo profiles no and omo teams ni nyina so abro e wo the Super 24 TV no so subscribe ya wadarama no wa hit so amaye